Hi, I know one or two of you have picked up the dev kit for the Pegasus wings, and some of you haven't had experience of doing textures or pliers previously, so I thought I'd do a quick little video showing you how to do it. So here I've got the dev kit, so let's just open that. And in here we can see we've got a UV. Okay, UVs are from the mesh file basically, and it's how the textures are laid out on the actual mesh themselves. So here we can see this is the kind of shape of the wing, this part here, okay, and this is a feather on the left. Okay, so that will repeat on each one of these, and again the upper side and lower side repeat as well. So this is just that main part of the wing and a feather. That's all we need to actually produce. Now there are instructions in here. Okay, so have a look through those, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, so let's first of all get out the little HUD that's included, and it's facing away from me, so let's just turn that around. There we go. Okay. Let's just zoom in a bit down here. So right click on the HUD and then choose Edit Linked. And we want this square here in the middle, the Pegasus Wings Applier. In there you'll find a script called SkinText. And what we need to do is replace these noughts here with the UUID unique identifier for the texture that you want to apply. So first of all we need to upload a texture, so let's just do that quickly. I made one earlier, so we're just going to put that one in there. There it is, textures. So if you right click on there, copy asset UUID, and carefully, making sure we don't take anything but the noughts, I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, so just check that you've still got the little speech marks either side, that you've still got the semicolon, that's very important. Okay, once you've done that, just save. Now what's really important when you're doing these appliers, okay, is that you change the permissions. It's very important because if you don't do that, people can take your textures. So let me just show you that again. Right click on the script, go to Properties, take off Mod and take off Transfer, and close that. We can close the script as well. Go back to the General tab and unclick the link, Edit Linked, okay. Take off Transfer, take off Mod, okay. The HUD will complain at you if you haven't done that, and it's really important that you do that, so please do remember to do your permissions. Okay, so let's put here, you can put your store name, give it a name, the rest can stay. Okay, you might want to put the picture on the little square here, so you can put a picture of your product on there, which I haven't got at the moment, and also put like your logo there or the name of your skin on this part here, so you can do that, but I'm not going to do that in this video, but just to show you how I would do that. Okay, so again you can select it, choose Select Face, and then click on this part of the square, and if you go to the texture tab you'll see that in here it says put a pretty picture of your product here. So you would put a picture of your product, so let's just find any old picture to put on here now. In fact, there we go, there's a picture of the wings. Okay, so but obviously it's not the wings that I'm doing. Okay, that'll do for now. You get the picture. So same up here. If you want to put your name, your logo or something on there, then just select face and go in and put the texture that you want on there. So I'm going to take this back into my inventory now, and I'm going to wear it. And when I click, it should work, which it has. But I also have some colours on here. So let's just find my HUD. Okay, so there we go. So there we are. There's my newly textured wings. If I want to match the skin, I might want to make them a little bit. You can still use the tint HUD on them as well. Okay, so there you go. A quick overview of how to use the Dev Kit.